Are you tired of constantly worrying about your expenses and savings? Do you ever wonder if there's a better way to manage your finances and make your money work for you? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving deep into a fascinating financial philosophy that might just revolutionize your approach to money. Welcome to Wealthway, and in this video, we're going to explore the intriguing world of Kakeibo, the Japanese secret to saving money. Before we dive into the world of Kakeibo, I invite you to become a part of our growing community. Simply click that subscribe button and you'll be joining a group of like-minded individuals on a journey to financial success. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, each brimming with valuable insights and practical tips to help you elevate your financial game. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now. So, what exactly is Kakeibo? It's not just a budgeting tool, it's a way of life. Kakeibo is a Japanese phrase that translates to family finance ledger. It's essentially a physical budgeting journal. But here's the beauty of it. It's not merely about crunching numbers. It's about intentional and thoughtful spending. Kakeibo isn't a new concept. It has deep roots in Japanese culture. Japanese housewives were among the first to embrace this system, and it became an integral part of managing their households. However, it wasn't until 2018 that author Fumiko Chiba introduced Kakeibo to the Western world through her book, Kakeibo, The Japanese Art of Saving Money. This approach is rooted in traditional Japanese values, emphasizing the importance of saving money and maintaining a strong connection with your finances. Kakeibo is not your typical budgeting system. It's a comprehensive financial philosophy that can transform the way you approach money management. Let's delve into its intricate workings and see how it can help you achieve your financial goals. To get started with Kakeibo, the first thing you'll need is a physical ledger. Yes, you read that right. A pen and paper. In an age dominated by digital tools and apps, Kakeibo harks back to a simpler time, emphasizing the tangible connection between you and your finances. Once you have your ledger in hand, the first step is to calculate your monthly income. This includes all the money you receive, whether from your job, investments, or any other source. After determining your total income, it's time to subtract your fixed expenses. These are the essential, non-negotiable costs in your life, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. What you have left after deducting these expenses is the amount available for discretionary spending and saving. Now comes the real essence of Kakeibo, setting a savings goal for the month. This is where the magic happens. The ideal savings goal is a portion of your remaining income after covering fixed expenses. It's a commitment to yourself to save a specific amount each month, fostering discipline and financial responsibility. The heart of Kakeibo lies in its categorization system. The philosophy identifies 4 pillars: needs, wants, culture, and unexpected. These categories are essential in helping you understand and manage your spending effectively. 1. Needs. This category encompasses the bare necessities, the things you cannot do without. It includes expenses like housing, food, auto payments, and essential debts such as student loans. Kakeibo forces you to recognize and prioritize these needs, ensuring that you're covering your basics. 2. Wants. Wants are those expenses that enhance your lifestyle but are not strictly necessary for survival. They include items like dining out, hobbies, entertainment, and leisure activities. Kakeibo prompts you to question the value of these purchases, encouraging more thoughtful spending. 3. Culture. This category encompasses spending on cultural activities, which can include books, museum fees, concert tickets, or even subscriptions to streaming services. It highlights the importance of investing in cultural experiences, but it also encourages you to weigh their significance against your other financial goals. 4. unexpected. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unforeseen costs arise, such as medical bills or home repairs. The unexpected category allows you to be prepared for these surprises, ensuring you don't derail your financial plans when the unexpected happens. Reflecting on your spending is a fundamental aspect of Kakeibo that sets it apart from many other budgeting systems. It encourages a deeper connection with your financial decisions and prompts you to think about your money in a meaningful way. On a regular basis, whether that's weekly or monthly, Kakeibo encourages you to ask yourself a series of thought-provoking questions. 1. What kind of money do you have? This question prompts you to take stock of your financial situation, your income, and your available resources. It's about understanding where you stand financially. 2. What amounts of money do you wish to save? Setting savings goals is an essential part of Kakeibo. This question encourages you to think about your financial aspirations, from building an emergency fund to saving for a vacation or a major purchase. 3. How much money do you spend each month? Tracking your spending is critical to financial awareness. Kakeibo asks you to take a close look at your expenditures, categorizing them as needs, wants, culture, or unexpected. 4. How can you improve? The final question is left intentionally open-ended. It's an invitation to consider your financial choices, identify areas for improvement, and come up with strategies to enhance your financial well-being. Improvement doesn't always mean cutting back. It can also mean reallocating resources to align better with your priorities. So what sets Kakeibo apart from other budgeting systems? Well, for one, it's all about manual entry in real time. This may seem time-consuming, but research shows that handwriting enhances memory and fosters reflection. Kakeibo forces you to think deeply about each purchase, making it more than just an accounting system. How can Kakeibo help you save money? It places a premium on your financial goals and teaches you to save gradually and sustainably over time. This method is designed for long-term financial planning, and it helps you avoid feelings of deprivation or financial anxiety in the present. It's all about striking a balance between your current needs and your future financial security. Who can benefit from Kakeibo? It's an excellent choice for budgeters who have struggled in the past. Its simplicity and adaptability can be a game changer. If you've ever felt fearful or hesitant about managing your finances, Kakeibo can empower you with control and confidence, and it dispels the myth that someone is inherently bad with money. Kakeibo also caters to savers who are making their first investment. Its Start Anywhere approach recognizes even the tiniest savings objectives and encourages you to increase your savings along the way. And if you're a fan of envelope-style planning, you'll likely appreciate Kakeibo's category-based approach, which is similar to the envelope budgeting system. And there you have it, the fascinating world of Kakeibo, the Japanese secret to saving money. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances or struggled to find a budgeting system that truly works for you, Kakeibo might be the answer you've been looking for. Its blend of traditional principles and modern financial awareness creates a powerful and thoughtful approach to managing your money. So if you're intrigued by this ancient yet incredibly relevant philosophy, why not give it a try? Grab a pen and paper, create your ledger, and embark on a journey towards financial mindfulness. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of Kakeibo and how it can revolutionize your approach to money. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wealthway for more financial wisdom and guidance. If you have any questions or thoughts on Kakeibo, we'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to leave your comments below and let's continue this conversation. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the path to financial well-being begins with a single step. So take that step today, embrace Kakeibo, and watch how it transforms your financial future. Until next time, take care and may your financial journey be a successful and fulfilling one. See you in our next video.